So once you've completed a Peruvian wave bracelet, you can either go straight into doing a braided end or you can taper to make it a little bit neater. So I'm going to taper this one by starting on the left and taking the thread next to the one on the left and doing a backward knot. Then I want to hold both the threads and then take the next one on the right and again do a backward knot, this time over both the other threads. And then I want to hold the 3 threads and take the next thread along and then do a backward knot over the 3 threads. And I want to keep doing this each time, doing a backward knot over every thread until I'm down to the last thread. So once you've done every thread, it should look like this and it's nice and neat, and then you can go straight into doing your braided tie-on end. So you want to split into 3 equal sections, or as equal as you can get, and then just do a straightforward 3-stranded braid. And once you've got the braid as long as you want it, you can tie all your threads in a knot at the end to keep them in place, and then trim off any excess.